Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a DMARC record to your domain with Google Workspace. This is an essential step for protecting your domain from email spoofing and phishing attacks, and it works alongside your existing SPF and DKIM authentication to give you complete control over your email security. First, open your browser and head over to admin.google.com. Sign in using your Google Workspace administrator account. This is your central hub for managing all Google services, including the DKIM settings that DMARC relies on for proper email alignment. Once you're in, click the menu icon, those three horizontal lines in the top left corner, and select Apps. From there, click on Google Workspace, then Gmail. This gives you access to your Gmail-specific authentication options, including DKIM, which is crucial for DMARC to function correctly. Now, here's the easiest way to grab your DMARC parameter. Head back to the main admin console and look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type in Setup DMARC, and from the search results, click the first option. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a text string that looks something like this: v=DMARC1, p=reject, rua=mail, to postmaster at example.com, mail to DMARC at example.com, pct=100, adkim=s, aspf=s. Go ahead and copy this parameter. Important note here, you'll need to replace @example.com with your actual domain name before using it. With that copied, it's time to head over to your DNS provider. This is where your domain's DNS records are managed, and it's where you'll actually publish your DMARC record. Sign in to your DNS hosting provider and navigate to the DNS management page. This might be labeled as DNS, DNS records, or zone file, depending on your provider. Before adding anything new, check if you already have a DMARC record. Look for a TXT record named _dmarc.yourdomain.com. If you find one, review its value before making any changes. If you don't have one, you'll create a new TXT record. Set the host or name field to _dmarc, the type to TXT, and paste your DMARC string into the value field. Remember to replace those example email addresses with real ones where you want to receive DMARC reports. Once everything looks good, save the record. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet, so don't be alarmed if it doesn't show up immediately. Your domain is now protected with DMARC authentication. Thanks for watching.